I have a couple of smart lights from Xiaomi and Light that I've been using for months now, and the latest is this Mi Motion Activated Night Light 2. Is this good? Do subscribe to this channel for home tech ideas and updates on Xiaomi products. A super thanks from you is highly appreciated. This is Night Light 2, so there must be Night Light 1 before this version. This is 25% more expensive than its predecessor. The Mi Smart Night Light 1 was a plug-in type night lamp that you can plug in on any 220-volt electrical outlet. Having said that, it means you need no batteries. But that's also its disadvantage because you are limited on where to place the lamp. The Night Light 2 is powered by 3 AA batteries and can be stick on any surface. While the Night Light 1 automatically lights up in the dark, but it has no human motion and lights detections like the upgraded version. These detections put the Mi Night Light 2 at the front of automation in households. In order for the Night Light 2 to automate other devices, you should connect it to a Bluetooth gateway. I have actually 3 Bluetooth gateways that are currently working. I opted to connect this to the gateway function of my Mi 360 camera 2K Pro since it's the most accessible. So I'm opening the Mi 2K Pro camera because the Mi 2K Pro camera has a Bluetooth gateway functionalities. Let's check if the night light is connected here. Okay, so night light is connected. It's automatically connected to the Mi 2K Pro camera gateway function. Now, if you're going to use automation for the night light, you can see here, just add, and if you click add and choose night light, there are so many actions that the night light can do to automate other devices of Xiaomi. So let's, for example, move near. This means that when you or someone goes nearer to the night light, the night light will react because the device has a motion sensor. So if you click move near, then you want to be alerted, then you can choose either send notifications to your phone, or you want your light in your bedroom to turn on so that you will be reminded, or you will be warned of any incoming or intruders, or whoever is on the is at your front door, or is at the door of your bedroom or wherever. So you can do a lot of things here. So then you can set the time when this automation shall take effect, all day or a certain period of time. You can just select. So there are so many ways to make automations here. Then when the light is dark, it means the area where there is this night light device is located. When it is dark, for example, if you are monitoring a room, then if it happens that the light went off or it's been turned off, then you can be alerted. You can again set a notification to your phone, so you will be alerted if any case these things can happen. So again, the selections used are many, so you can choose whichever that is appropriate to your situation. Like for example, light is bright, then light is dark, and someone is moving. So if you're monitoring a bodega or a room that has your stocks for your business, then you can use the night light to monitor at the same time. Again, the night light 2 sensor can react to either dark or bright ambient lights because its sensor has its light sensor has 2 forms of ambient lighting detection, bright or dark. And since it has also a motion sensor, so it can detect whether there is a movement or none. So that's why here you can also read other options here. No motion, 2 minutes after no motion. The night light 2 uses Fresnel lens which directs beams of light to same point and thus improves detection of changes in ambient lights that human movements may create. Xiaomi says the Fresnel lens is customized to achieve this. The light turns on automatically once it detects human movement in the dark and turns off after 15 to 60 seconds depending on your setting on the Mi Home app. As planned, I installed the night light just outside the two bedrooms where it is dark most of the time. I adjust the position of the night light so that the sensors can cover both bedrooms. I set the setting on the app to dark to suit the ambient light in the area. You can choose for ambient light sensor limits depending on the area like pitch black, dark, dim, slightly bright, and bright. When I open the door, the light turns on just before I can move out of the room. But when I went out of the bedroom while a lampshade inside is on, the night light did not turn on because it senses the light from the lampshade. I did the experiment on the second bedroom and the light also turns on. The night light too can detect human movements even in the dark up to 6 meters in the front and up to 2.5 meters to the sides. The sensor range is 120 degrees wide. For accurate detection, Xiaomi recommends certain measurements as to its height when facing downwards, facing straight forward, and facing upwards. The magnetic mount design of the Nightlight 2 makes it even more versatile since you can rotate the lamp 360 degrees. Since the Nightlight 2 is portable, you can just put it anywhere. You can use it inside your wardrobes or shoe cabinets and illuminate stairs and dark pathways automatically. Speaking of illumination, the Nightlight 2 has 2800 kelvins of warm light or a gentle yellow light with no visible flicker or harmful blue light. This is ideal at nighttime in your bedroom when you get up without disturbing others. You can adjust the brightness to your preferred setting on the Mi Home app. Its luminous flux is from 2.5 to 25 lumens depending on your setting. Believe it or not, the 3 AA batteries could last 365 days or the entire year according to the test conducted by Xiaomi, turning on the nightlight 15 times a day at a duration of 15 seconds each while the brightness is at its lowest. When at its highest brightness setting, the battery life is shortened to half or up to 180 days. You can turn off the nightlight function and use it instead purely as sensor for the next 17 months. Xiaomi says this is based on 80 motion detections and 20 light detections per day. For this device, I am using my spare rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery from Panasonic. Xiaomi says their calculation of the battery life is based on AA battery with 1500 milliampere capacity. These envelope batteries are 2000 milliampere each. The rated voltage for this device is 4.5 volts. That's why we have 3 batteries at 1.2 volts each. And the unit will use 0.35 watt of power. Okay. Then I don't know. Okay, so that's the default setting is at the lowest light. That's about 2.5 lumens, and it's set at 15 seconds. That's why it turns off. This is made of impact-resistant ABS plastic. The finish here is glossy, so it's so nice. While the diffuser cover here is PC plastic. This area are the lights area. These are the area where the LED beads are placed. You cannot see it because of this diffuser cover. While this area here where the logo of Xiaomi is located, this is where the sensors are. Then the design is seamless as there are no visible beads here. You cannot see the LED beads. the size is almost the same with the diameter of the Xiaomi Hub 2. Okay, then it's about 80 millimeters the diameter here, and depth is about 62 mm. It's lightweight. The weight is 121 grams, or approximately 121 grams. Now, while you can see here the logo, there are special instructions for this. When you place this or install this night light as a night light, do it should be the logo should be upright. So be sure that you can read the logo because of the Mi sensor orientation. So if you put like this, the Mi can be read. It should be read like this, Mi. And also, do not cover this portion because this is where the sensors are located. By the way, this nightlight 2 is for indoor use only. You cannot use this outside because this is not waterproof. Okay. In fact, you can open this one. Okay, because if you don't open this one, then you cannot put the batteries. Okay, so you have just to the cover here. You counterclockwise. You twist counterclockwise. There's a thread inside. You see here the thread, and the metallic portion of the nightlight 2 is located on a large part of the back cover. So you can see here the metal. So that's why you can position anywhere the metallic base. This is the metallic base. It's like the magnetic camera. Then this is the sticker. That's the sticker. If you put this on a wall, then you have to remove this cover here. Then that's why since there's no screw here, so you have to rely on this sticker. Okay. Then this is where the battery compartment is. Just you can open by pulling this latch here. Okay. Then you can put the 3 batteries here. Then there's only one switch here. This is the switch. This is the Bluetooth switch. If you turn that on, then the Bluetooth will turn on. And this is also this will also serve as your reset button. If you're going to reset this, you have to switch this button thrice in 2 seconds. I don't know if I can do that. Installing and pairing the device on the Mi Home app is easy, as the device was automatically found by the app. You will be asked to turn on the Bluetooth switch of the device in either direction to trigger the connection and start pairing. In a few seconds, pairing is done and you'll have to complete the setup by following the prompts. Don't forget to check if the software is the latest. If you have questions about the product, you can open Help and Feedback. I listed few negatives. The nightlight 2 color temperature is fixed at 2800 kelvins, or it has warm light. Maybe because this is designed as a night light. The Bluetooth is somehow low in power and has sometimes difficulty in reaching the gateway at 5 meters. The nightlight 2 uses BLE 4.2 or Bluetooth Low Energy 4.2 version. If you check the Mi Home app here, you can see here at the Bluetooth functionality of the Mi 2K Pro camera. It shows here the night light along with other sensors which are Bluetooth devices. You can see here 2 bars only. The night light 2 has only 2 bars, while the window sensors has 3 bars. So to check the nightlight 2, let's see. It's has difficulty connecting to the Mi 2K Pro camera gateway. In fact, it cannot connect. Since it is a Bluetooth connected device, it is not supported by Google Home. It is for indoor use only, as it has no waterproofing. If you want to be updated on Xiaomi products, please subscribe to this channel. You may also help my future videos by contributing super thanks. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High-tech tabay.